Good evening, traders. Welcome back to my channel, Smart Index Edge. I am on the daily chart of Nifty. The intention of making this video to show you what is happening in the Nifty. After the up move, you can see the longer period Ganji low, that the blue color trend is intact, and even the shorter dynamic color changer Ganji low is positive, and only this CPR GAN hilo, that is very shorter period GAN hilo, is showing little bit mixed feeling, and mixed feeling means it has turned magenta color. It has flipped to sell side, but it is not a sell. And the pivots, if you see the pivots, today it has turned blue. Since yesterday the pivot is blue. But the shorter period GAN hilo, still it is not showing any signal. That means market is going sideways within this area, within the area of 25,650. Let me make it a line chart, and it is trading. And this is the very important level 25,811. It shows it is a higher close when compared to the all the previous months. The exact monthly close is like that 25,800, the registered close. So it is above that, and price is above 25,936. Today, a dozy has been formed. Dozy means both the buyers and sellers have entered into the market. It is a long-legged dozy. Anything can happen. You can see the CPR over here. CPR is a white CPR, and you can see the CPR over here. That is not the question. I wanted to show you how you people do mistake in entry. What all you need to see in your entry in the shorter period, whether it is a call option or a put option, what you need to see with the rolling pivot. For example, the opening bell itself, 26,000 call option. 26,000 because previous day it was bullish, so it was a continuation. The gift nifty was showing a gap up of 40 points, so the bias was positive, so we kept 26,000 call option in our watch list. And what was the strategy, how you entered into the trade. Let me go to the 28th, because today is expiry. We may get the data. Whether we are getting the data. Okay. Let me go to the 5 minutes. It might have become 0. Okay. Let me remove all the drawings, 6 drawings. Let us start from here. Today's trade. Morning, we had already prepared with the CPR, the levels to watch out for 58 and 45 was our thing. So, let me show you what you need to see for the entry. I am on the 5 minutes chart. The starting first 5-minute candle. You can see over here, first 5-minute candle, or if I change the time frame to, let me make a box for this to identify. Let me go to 1-minute chart. Yes, today's trade. Yes. So this is the box. The first 1 minute candle started from what is 57.70, opened here. It is highly impossible to catch this for anybody. By the close of this candle, you can see the range. From 59, the low was 58.9 and the closure of this candle is 91. Is it right time to enter into the stock? No. Whether you are going to enter into it? No. So carefully listen to me. This is big bus strategy. We need to wait. The big institutional money, nobody can push it like this. The price like this. Big bar, wide range of bar from 58 to 91. If I place the cursor, it is 90. 58 means 59 means 60, 30 points range within a single candle. So you are going to wait for the entry. I am not going to enter into the entry, and I have highlighted this box. In this box, you are going to see rolling pivot Gan Hilo, which has turned magenta, and but this shorter period Gan Hilo is flipping between blue to red. Blue to red. It turns blue and goes there, and again it comes back blue to red. But sell signals were generated over here. So you are not going to take the trade. Here, if you see over here, my entry is not. I am not going to enter over here in these two candles. The reason for this is there is no signal. There is no signal over here, and the Gan Hilo color changer, it is neutral. That is yellow color. Signal has not been generated. Green has been generated, and I need to see this Gan Hilo crossing over here. See here, I am going to see here, I am going to enter a buy signal has been generated over here. All the things they are aligned properly here. You need to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. They have aligned. I am entering into the trade. See, within two candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles, the market rallied from 72 to 107. 107, it rallied. So, after that, there was an instant pullback. You can see the color Gan Hilo shorter time frame turning into red, flipping to red, and the very shorter color, dynamic color changer is turning into green to yellow, yellow to red, and then it was a sideways. This box is a sideways. Still, there was no sell signal in the market. So, you are not going to enter into, even if you see the sell signal, let me change it to put option, because sell signal was generated around 9:42 to 9:45. Let us see how we are going to take trade in the put option. Let us go back. Put option signal was generated over here. For that, what all you need to see? Around 9:45 there, your sell was generated. Perfect. It is a perfect entry. This longer period Gan Hilo, shorter period Gan Hilo, and very short period Gan Hilo, all are perfectly aligning, and my rolling pivot turning green. All have turned green. This is my perfect entry. I am entering at 137. I don't bother even if it flips. I am entering over here. I am confident here. Say, for example, I have entered around 140 or something. Even in this candle, it came down to 137. I am not bothered about that. I'm not bothered about my 3 rupees this thing. Minimum stop loss is here 135. You have entered around 140 and stop loss is just 5 rupees. That is 350 rupees stop loss. With confidence you are entering into this. What are the three things you need to say? 1, 2 and 3 and plus rolling pivot. 1, 2 and 3. This alignment should be there in your trade. Should be there in your trade. That is a must. When that alignment comes, see the movement. See the movement how the prices moved from 138 to here up to 215. Till that there was in between mixed feeling, but there was no look back. The market rallied up to this and even it continued to the upside till 11:10. 11:10 it also continued. It was a deep correction over here. In between, sell signal was generated here. Probably in the Nifty, a buy signal might have generated around 11:20. This is the perfect entry. The GAN Hilo 1 turning red, shorter period turning red, and the very shorted dynamic color change have aligned properly, you are entering into a short trade. Short trade means at that time this put has been sold. Around this time call option might have come. Today both call and put option there was a chance for that because it was a monthly expiry, and later you can see during the London session it started coming down. This put option started coming down. It came down to from 221 to 160. Again it gave a buy signal. See, whenever the buy signal arises, the one you must check 1, 2 and 3 and plus pivot. This is the perfect entry. Don't do mistake unless these three are aligned. These 1, 2, 3, 4 are aligned. Do not enter into the trade. Then your stop loss, you are going to lose money. That too, you have to get this alignment. Unless you get this alignment, you are not going to enter into the market. After around 135, again Nifty started falling from 160. It rallied up to 220. Twice market has given a twice opportunity to make money in the put option. From 165 to 220, it is not a small 80 points. Here you gained around 80 points over here previously and you are gaining. So these are the things you need to see for your entry. Do not make any mistake. Let us check the live market, what is going. Bitcoin, what it is, 1320 points it is showing. So the entry today, it might have, let me go to the 5 minutes time frame because it has rallied from since morning 12:30 early morning. The trade usually starts. Trend has started over here and in between there is a hiccup. It was a pullback, short sell off, and again around 6 p.m. Indian time it has picked up and it is moving higher. See the when the buy signal comes, all will align. 1, 2, 3, 4. You must remember. You always remember 1, 2, 3, 4. When all the things get aligned, the pivot will become green and buy signals will be generated. If there is any mixed feeling after the sell off, you can see over here there is a mixed feeling. the signal has not generated. In that, you can see this candle is not showing any coding for buy or sell, because everything you didn't see, it has been so coded so nicely. So you're not entering into this candle. You are entering here after the confirmation. All have become aligned over here and you are entering into it. So that's how the perfect entry becomes. You are not going to make mistake unless this setup comes. This is the setup. You should get 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, you remember it. Unless you get this setup, don't enter into the market. Otherwise, you are going to lose money. See, once this setup comes, then there will be a powerful energy, because the big money will be there as a backup. You are not going to lose money. So once you enter, suppose it has been generated 114382. Now it is running 115576. So like that you can get very good appreciation in the market. Anything, any instrument, you follow this rule. This rule, if you have to follow this rule, and my rolling pivot is a magical indicator. I can say it is a magical indicator. No, nothing can beat this indicator, because it is directly derived from the price. It is directly derived from the price. It is not a derivation from any. I am not looking into MACD or RSI for reference. I am directly takes the price, and it is see how the price is moving. Only after some sideways, even when it goes sideways, buy signals are there. Why buy signals are there? Because price is above all the things. Price is above all the things. Then buy signal is there. Naturally, buy signal is there. So, friends and traders, if you have this rule, 1, 2, 3, 4 rule, you should always, that market, any entry should satisfy that. When it's satisfied, you will be into rocket. Immediate momentum burst will be there. So your trade will be very good. You can see how Bitcoin is moving. So since it has moved away, so far away from the uh, Gan Hilo, all the Gan Hilo, probably it is showing some sort of you can see so nicely the here. Nowhere it had shown, the pivot has showed a gray color thing, gray color change has been seen over here. But it is a pullback, and the green color, it has turned green. See, gray to green, and price is moving higher. A short gray, and then it turned green. Pivots have turned green, but it has turned. Anytime it may show exhaustion, Bitcoin may correct little bit, because it has moved very far away. So, and a climactic big bus is forming over here. That is an indication. See, when you compare for all the big bars, this bar is very wide. So the big money is driving fast, and anytime there may be a reversal or little bit correction may be there in this is the time for anybody who have entered into the Bitcoin can look for the look for the signal and to look for the profit. Okay, friends, I've explained you people how to enter the rolling pivot. So rolling pivot is a very magical indicator if you follow 1, 2, 3, 4 rules. You have to follow these rules. Unless these rules are satisfied, you should not enter into the market. Then profit will be yours. That is pakka. Thank you very much, traders. I am Nalinakshi Swamy.